Hey guys, so here's this Emerson Premium ceiling fan from the mid-2000s. I'm not sure of the exact year, I'd have to check, but it is quite similar to the other brushed nickel one that I have. Or sorry, brushed steel. It's hard to get used to that. It also has a 4-arm adjustable light fitter. Blades are different though, these are just oak. Got this installed in a family member's bedroom for now. And it has an uplight, which I think is really cool. There are 3 very dim 5-watt bulbs up there because that's what it came with. The only problem though is that I think the pull chain for it is broken or some wire's not connected or something. I just hit the ladder. Because it won't turn off. So that might be as easy of a fix of just replacing the chain, or it might require some other diagnosis, not sure. But you can see that. Turn it on low. So this came from Facebook Marketplace, per usual. It came with a Hunter 3-speed wall control with a light dimming option. I don't have that hooked up, but it's cool to have. And it was one of 2 fans that he was selling. The other one was just some Hunter thing, so I didn't pick that up because I don't have too much interest in that. But I kind of can't resist whenever these show up. And it's only really up here temporarily because I did find an Emerson Designer remote that'll hopefully take the place of this fan. Because I think since this is a high ceiling, it would work better with the remote and everything. Plus then the uplight would actually work because that model does have an uplight, thankfully. There's a very slight hum on all speeds, except, well, you probably can't hear it on high. I'm not really sure why though. Because normally these are just totally silent. Let's go to medium. So I think what's going to happen with this one is I'm just going to sell it, because as I've said, I do already have a brushed steel one that's almost exactly the same. So, and somebody else can enjoy it. Overall though, this one was pretty clean. I think they might have cleaned it after they took it down, or they just cleaned it while it was installed periodically, because it didn't really have that much dust on it. And the bearings are still pretty good. They're not perfect, but generally very quiet. We'll go to high, and it does wobble a bit. I probably could have readjusted the blade or something, but it's not that bad, and it's hardly ever used on high speed in here. But it is, of course, extremely powerful. This one I believe uses the Emerson K55XL motor, which was the successor to the K55. Yeah, I mean, this is a 50-inch fan in a pretty big room, and you can feel it almost like in every corner. It's crazy. Let's turn it off. So there you have it. The second brushed steel Emerson Premium ceiling fan that I have acquired. Thanks for watching.